One skull, one burr, one day. Let's do this. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I've had this idea for a little bit. By the way, welcome to my carving bench. I would call it my carving shed, but most of the stuff in here is not mine. So for now, it's my carving bench. But yeah, I've had this idea for a while just to take one burr and see what I could do on a skull with it. I've always kind of had in mind something a little bit larger, like a cow skull or maybe a bison, something like that. But maybe just for starters, I'm going to start out with a raccoon, see how it goes, and kind of see what we can come up with being limited to only one burr. Now the burr I'm using is a 106. This is particularly a Dremel burr, but you can use any ball burr. It's equivalent to this. This one's about 2 millimeter in size. So we're going to see what happens. I did want to use a number 108, an inverted cone burr, because that's my favorite, but I didn't have one for whatever reason, so I guess I need to order some of those. But let's get started and we'll see where this goes. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little cut through area right here with these little circles. I already started, as you can see, but normally I would recommend for like a cut through pattern like that, I would recommend using a diamond dust burr, but obviously we're not. We're using a carbide ball burr, so it won't be as smooth and as nice as normal, but I'm kind of restricting myself again to that carbide ball burr, the number 106. So it should turn out good though. Okay, so interesting turn of events. So you saw I did carve the resist on the front of the skull there. I didn't know what it meant, guys. Apparently, John pointed it out on Facebook that it is some type of political movement. I'm not even going to look it up to see what it means because I don't care to an extent. You know, either way, if I agree or disagree with it, I don't even want to get into that, right? But that means I'm going to have to take it off the skull. I think I finally did decide that. I'll show you how I do it. So you can see how I would kind of correct a mistake, which apparently this is. Anyhow, all right, let's get into it and see how it works out. Haha! Crisis avoided. alright, so I think I'm done. I'm going to run some sandpaper over it a little bit just to clean up some of the rough areas. Still, I have all the teeth, the jaws. I'm going to put that on and then take some pics. I hope you enjoyed this. It definitely was a challenge. I didn't expect it to be. As far as just restricting myself to using one burr, I definitely wanted to switch out numerous times to something better, you know, for the situation. But I didn't, and it was a learning experience. You should definitely try it yourself if you're into skull carving. Created a special little hashtag if you want to use that. If not, you know, whatever. But I am giving away the skull, just FYI. I'm starting a new thing where every video, within the first 24 hours, I will be doing a giveaway. Either something that I make in the video or something else that I'll explain in the video. But there is a link below this video in the description. It only lasts for 24 hours after this video is published. So if you miss it this time, make sure that you get it the next time. But for this video, I am giving away the Raccoon Skull. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing. If you're interested in doing some skull carving, you can go on my website. Again, link in the description for I have free designs. I have all the tools that I use, the different burrs, that type of thing. So, all right guys, thanks for joining me in my shed back here, and I hope you're having a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. All right, thanks guys.